The second and final funding window for submitting broadband stimulus applications is now open. Applicants are scrambling to align their proposals with the latest eligibility requirements. So, a group of government officials and vendors recently met to share insight on the broadband stimulus at Infinera, a fiber optics company in Sunnyvale, California, with clients who have already won broadband stimulus grants. After receiving a tour of the company, some of the attendees shared their expectations.
In round two, they're talking about tying your application to anchor institutions. And we think anchor institutions means anything from community colleges to schools to public safety entities. So yeah, the answer should be that if you can craft a project that ties in important institutions in your community, you should have a better shot given the rules.
Kamicha said roughly 133 California applicants got rejection letters. He's exploring whether or not the California State CIO's office can help some of those applicants revise their submissions.
I'm investigating seeing if we can retain a grant writer and perhaps a technical consultant and a financial consultant, because the business models have to be bulletproof, in order to work with applicants up front, so when they do send their application in, that it's as good an application as it can be.
The Mid-Atlantic Broadband Cooperative, a Virginia-based organization running a major fiber backhaul, recently won $16 million in broadband stimulus money. Tad DeRiso, the company's CEO, shared advice he gave his telecom clients applying for stimulus money of their own.
When some people get into grant writing, we tend to talk about warm, fuzzy feelings and how wonderful broadband is and how much it will help the community and all those kind of things. But when it gets right down to it, when the government's reviewing the proposals, they're going to want hard numbers that if they invest $1, it's going to be sustainable, and that will create jobs and return on that investment for the long term.
The second funding window is set to close March 15. We'll keep tabs on the winners and just how accurate all of that advice was. For GTTV, I'm Andy Opsahl.
Let's go in chronological order. Let's say, when did it start?